Now, in this video, we are going to take up one more problem on projections of lamina. How to solve this problem by using the solid edge software. The problem reads as a pentagonal lamina having edges 25 mm is placed on one of its corners on VP such that the surface makes an angle of 30 degree with VP and perpendicular bisector of the edge passing through the corner on which the lamina rests appears to be inclined to 45 degrees to HP. Draw the top and front views. So this is the problem. How to solve this? By using solid edge software. First we'll go for the solid edge software, and this is the default background sheet which is for A2. Now I need to change it to A4 because in the examination we need to take the printout in A4 size sheet. So take the cursor here, just right click and click on sheet setup. Now you change the background sheet to A4 and then show background. I don't want to show any background, so I will say OK. Now this sheet which is shrinked from A2 to A4, but the display is still set for A2 only. So now I need to fit this. Now we come down to text. So we need to type the text now. So I come down to Times New Roman. Okay. Take the font size as 4. Then you type it here. A pentagonal lamina having edges 25 mm is placed on one of its corners on VP. Is placed on one of its corners on VP. Then such that surface makes an angle of 30 degree with VP. 30 by holding the Alt key, type 0176 and release the Alt key. 30 degrees to VP. 30 degree with VP. With VP and perpendicular bisector of the edge. Of the edge passing through the corner. On which the lamina rests. On which the lamina rests appears to be inclined. To 45 degrees to HP. 45 by holding the Alt key 076 release the Alt key. 45 degrees to HP. Draw the top and front views of the lamina. Draw the top and front views of the lamina. Right click. Now you come down to move, disable copy, and you select this and place it wherever you want. Now you come down to zoom window. Then now you start typing the answer. Before actually going for the answer, first you make sure in IntelliSketch take endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical is enabled, and all other options you disabled it. Then go to line, come down to this line width, make it 0.05. Then enter. First we are going to draw any horizontal line of any length. Then you come down to text. So you click on this and put the caps lock on, type capital X. So here I want to type BP. And then you come down to this is the horizontal plane. On this case it is white. So first I need to place the lamina in the horizontal position. So to do that I will go for a line command. Take any length and you take 25 mm. Angle is 0. Enter. 25 angle is 72. Then 25 angle is 144. Then go to 25 angle 144 plus 72 means 216. 44 plus 72 216. 216. Okay, then go to 25, angle is 288. Okay, now I need to go to select this entire thing and make it 0.5. Then click on group. You take this as a group. Then go to line, take endpoint of this and draw one horizontal vertical line and go to trim this line. Then go to group, select this entire drawing along with this line. Now I need to go to rotate. So rotate this with reference to this line. Okay, you rotate like this. Okay, now you go to move, disable copy, you take this and keep it here. Now we need to start typing the text. So to do that, I will go for a text. Here I will type A dash. Then from here I will come down to B dash. Then we have C dash. Then we have, here you go to text, remove this and you make this as 3 mm size is, take this as 3 and enter. You take this as A dash, then you take it as B dash, then you take C dash, then you take M dash, then you take D dash, then you take E dash. Then go to zoom window. Now you go to move, disable copy, you select this A dash, then you have B dash, then you have C dash, M dash, then you have D dash, then you have E dash. Then go to move, take the XY lines. Now since one of the corner has to rest on BP, so I go to line, take this endpoint and draw to the XY line. Similarly from B dash you draw to the XY line, and similarly from here you draw to the XY line. Now once you do that, now you go to trim all these trees lines. Similarly you go to split this line till here, then you split this line till here, then you split this line till here. Now you go to select, by holding the entire thing you make it as a group of 0.5. Okay, now I need to go to group, select this entire thing and you make it as a group. Now I need to start typing the text. So to do that I will go for top view A, then I will have B, then within brackets E. Then similarly you have C, then you have M, then you have D in bracket. Then go to fit, then go down to zoom window. Okay, then go to move, select this and move it. Okay, now once you do that, now you go to fit, now you come down to this and delete this, not required. Go to select this line and delete it. Now I need to rotate this. So how to do that? So you just go to move, enable copy, you select this entire thing and move it here. Go to displacement in y direction is 0. Since you need to one more copy, you enable copy. Once you do that, now I need to come down to this, go to move, select this, copy and you keep it here. Similarly B, okay, then E. Okay, Now I need to rotate this first. So to do that, go to select and you delete this. Okay. Now what he says, the surface is inclined with respect to VP at 30 degrees. So to do that, I will go for rotate command, disable this, select this entire drawing and take this endpoint to this endpoint. Then you say the rotation angle is minus 30. Okay. Once you do that, go to fit. Now you need to take a line command, draw one horizontal line, that is the XY line. Now I need to take to the front view. So end point of this and draw a vertical projector. Similarly from here you take this and there and go to trim corner between these two. Now in such a case, if you get it like this, then you just move this out. So go to move, disable copy, take this M dash and keep it here. Now I need to consider a line command, draw a line from this endpoint. Okay. Similarly from E dash, then you take endpoint, then go to trim corner between these two, then trim corner between these two, so trim corner between these two. Now then I have one more line. You just go to line, take the endpoint of this and draw a vertical line. Similarly from here C, then from E, that is D dash. Okay, then go to trim corner between this line and this line, between this line and this line, and between this line and this line. Now we take between these two. These two are the arbitrary things. Now once you do that, now we have a pentagonal shape. Now I need to consider line, take endpoint of this to endpoint of this to endpoint of this to endpoint of this to endpoint of this. Now you go to split this line till here, then you split this line till here, and then you split this line till here. Now we need to go to select by holding the shift key. You select all these 5 lines and make that as a 0.5, and you make this as a group also. Then you select this line and this line. So you will have all the entities has been made as a group. Now we go for the move command, enable copy. I want to retain the copy here also. So take A dash, then we have B dash, then we have C dash, then we have M dash, then you have D dash, then you have E dash. Okay. Now once you do that, now you copy the same thing here. Move. You take A is on BP, B, then you have E, then you have C, then you have M, then you have D. Okay. So once you do that, now I need to perpendicular by passing through the corner of the laminar appears to be inclined. So since it is appearing, so you have apparent length. So you go to move, enable copy, you select this and you copy to the next position. Then, so once you copy this, now I need to rotate this. So what he says, it is 45 degrees to HP. Now what is the perpendicular bisector of the edge passing through this? Now it is parallel to HP, or it is inclined to VP, so it is in apparent length. Now this is parallel to HP, now I have to make that inclined to HP. So since it is an apparent length and the inclination given is also apparent inclination, so you can rotate it directly. So to do that, I will just go to rotate, select this and take this endpoint and this endpoint and rotate by an angle of 45. Okay, then take this, then go to move, disable copy, you select this and bring it here. Now you go to move, enable copy, you take A dash, then you take E dash, then you take B dash, then you have D dash, then we have M dash, then you have E dash. Now we need to finish the top view now. So to do that, go to line, take endpoint and draw a vertical line first. Then go to trim. Okay. Similarly, draw a horizontal projector from B and E. Similarly, from B dash and also from E dash. Then go to trim corner between these two. So once you do that, now we left out with 3 points. So you take C dash, then we have M dash, then you have D dash. Now you get this line, take endpoint and draw this. Okay, since of course this the final position, I need not have to show this M, you delete that. Now I will go to trim corner between these two and between these two. Now you come down to zoom. Now from here you create the pentagon. You just go to endpoint and you come down to this endpoint. Then you have this endpoint. Then we have this endpoint. Okay. Yes. Then you have this endpoint. Okay. Once you do that, now I need to split this line. Go to split this line till here. Now you go to sketch, select all these 5 lines and make that 5 lines to be of 0.5. Okay. Now I need to move this. Go to move, disable copy, you select this and move it nearer. Now you come down to select by holding the shift key, you select this and you select this. Okay. Make it 0.13. That is the XY line. So now once you do that, so I need to start typing the text here. So to do that, I will go for a text. So here, Times New Roman, font size is 3. I will take A, then you have B, then you have C, D and E. Okay. Now you come down to zoom window, go to move, disable copy, take A, then take B, then take C, then take D. Of course here this line is not being matched. So go to line and take endpoint of this to endpoint of this. Then go to select. Take this and make it 0.5. Now you go to move, disable copy, you select this and move it. And this is how you will be able to create the drawing. So now I will come down to this and you take this and make this as, go to select this line and this line, make it 0.13. Okay, fine. It's already done. Now I need to go for the dimensioning. So to do that, so you come down, go to format styles, go to ISO, modify, general, all these make it black. Then you come down to text, so come down to Times New Roman, then I have font size is 3, then go to lines and coordinate, make this as 0.1 and say OK and say apply. Now we go for dimensioning, so take distance between this line and this, so come down to nominal, okay, then come down to by 2 points, so you're going to get 25. Now I need to go to angle between this line and this line. You are going to get 30. Then again between these two. So you are going to get it as 45. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using the solid software without looking into the solution. You should be able to do it. How do I know that my problem is right? You can say that the lamina rests, the corner in which the lamina rests, the corner is on XY line, it is on VP, appears to be inclined. So here, this appear to be inclined means it is in apparent inclination. And the length what you get here is also apparent length. So you are rewriting the same sketch by rotating at an angle of 45 degrees. And the surface is being inclined at 30 degrees. Even the corner is resting on VP. Here also the corner is resting on VP. Since all the sides are parallel to VP, so you are getting the true shape. What is the true shape? It is the length of the pentagon. It is the length of the pentagon is 25. So all the sides are equal because all the sides are parallel to VP. So this is how you will be able to analyze, and we are able to solve the problem. And since we have considered all the data which was given in the problem in finding out the solution, hence my problem is right. Thank you.